Hi, friends. Are these all your friends from school? No, you can't take those home. It's the school crayons. Hi. How are you? Did you have fun today? You want to draw? You have crayons too? Hi, baby. Ready to go? You want to go to your locker? Don't break it. Hey, do you want to go to your locker? You want to keep coloring? See? I'm doing a video. You want to do something on the video, Duke? What do you want to do? You want to sing or something? Dance? You're good?